I have really big pores on the side of my face.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in Monday's video I did ask you guys if you wanted to see Brandon come back. We had been chatting about an idea that I was toying around with and you guys seemed really into it. So Brandon's going to be here today. I have an entire bag of random products that Brandon feels one way or another on. You guys hear me talk about stuff all the time, so now you guys are going to get some of Brandon's opinions on some of my skincare favorites. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe because I do upload 3 times a week. And that is the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to see Brandon's opinions, let's jump right into the video. For those of you who missed the joke in the beginning of my YouTube channel, I would tell people to like and subscribe as if I was pointing to the buttons. It wasn't intentional, it was just make sure to like and subscribe, and my hands would always cross. So now anytime Brandon just looks at me and just... Alright, so first product out of the bag, we're going to start with things I think I know he likes. So product number 1 from Sephora Collection. This is the Lychee Sheet Mask. Here you go.
I like these. They smell like lychees, and if you've never had lychees, they are one of my favorite things. I don't really know what it does, but when I'm told I should take a bath, I put this on.
I probably have 3 or 4 of these on hand 24/7, just in case Brandon decides he needs one. I bought them once, and all the lychee ones disappeared, and I was like, what the hell happened? He won't use any of the other ones. So this is a deep hydrating and brightening mask. So what it does is it's going to help to make the skin less dull and help to hydrate.
This beauty doesn't happen overnight.
From Murad, this is the AHA/BHA exfoliating cleanser. They actually did discontinue this one, and it now comes in an all purple bottle, but it is still the hydrating cleanser. Brandon?
It might make me sound like an alcoholic, but it smells like Tito's.
It does smell like vodka.
Literally put this on my face and all I got is vodka. But it does work. It makes my face feel real clean.
So this is an exfoliating cleanser. It uses AHA and BHA, which are going to be natural exfoliants that'll help to kind of dissolve the bonds of dead skin off of your face. So I've said in videos in the past, Brandon really enjoys exfoliating his skin to the point where he might over-exfoliate. So...
Cerebellum. No, that's
sebum. Sebum production.
Sebum
if you
production.
overly exfoliate your skin, you're going to get extra oily because of excess sebum production. I'm really proud of you. That was really close.
I was close.
So the next product from Ole Henriksen. This is the Transforming Walnut Scrub. While we're on the subject of exfoliators.
I like this. This literally is just walnuts, and it's like pieces of walnuts broken into like little chopped, and it just exfoliates.
Next up, we have the Kopari. This one's one of the colored ones because I couldn't find the clear one, but the Coconut Lip Love.
I mean, the reason you couldn't find it is because there's 3 in my bag.
Usually.
In my Merce, I literally have 3 Koparis, and they just go in my jacket, my bag, my car, and in a big circle.
So what do you like about it? I
like it because it's basically a chapstick, but it's more glossy, so it kind of doesn't go away over time. And that's a lot of issues I have with like Burt's Bees and like that kind of stuff. So this actually lasts for a while.
This is going to be a fun one. So Velour Lashes came out with some individual like end of lashes, so they're not for the full eye. Why don't you tell them about these, Brandon? Hold on, I'm going to pull this out so you can show them.
I don't like.
Here you go.
I don't like. So, you remember my very first video on Brett's YouTube channel where I cried like a little baby.
Because I put eyeliner on him.
And that was just eyeliner. So he tried putting lashes on me and that didn't go any better.
Actually, it did. I have pictures. I'll flash it up on the screen. You looked real good.
I looked great. I teared real bad. And that was just from this slightly a little heavy lash.
That's not heavy at all.
I really didn't like them.
We're just going to compare that to the things I normally wear.
These are heavy.
Next up, also from Ole Henriksen, it is the Cold Plunge Mask.
Is this the blue one?
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
He doesn't remember what they're called, but he'll remember the color of the mask, and that'll tell him what he likes.
So this feels like you are literally jumping into a ice bath. But the funny part about it is when you put it on your face, it literally looks like a Smurf.
Do you know what it does?
I haven't a clue.
So this is a refining mud mask that's going to help to cleanse the skin, but it's also going to tighten your pores and help with your pores being smaller, which is something Brandon likes to complain about. So that's why this is a mask that
I have really big pores on the side of my face.
Yeah, well, this helps.
Bag of
So
tricks.
next up, from Tarte, this is the Knockout Tingling Treatment.
This goes alongside those exfoliators. I used this, I think, for a week straight until like my skin was not happy.
I told him give yourself like 3 days in between every usage. I did tell him that.
You did, and I completely disregarded that because he was like, "It's gonna make your pores smaller, and it's gonna do all of this and all of that."
And it does.
It does, but I don't think that you should use this for 7 days straight. It's not good for you.
You will burn your skin.
I had to wear a Bare Minerals foundation
Powder?
No, the step 1, the prepping step.
Mm-hmm.
I had to wear
SPF?
that. Yeah, I had to wear that for.
Well,
for
you
a while.
should. When you're using chemical exfoliators like this, you should be using an SPF.
Except I had to use it. You remember when my face was burned and I had to use something to stop it?
I'm not amused.
It was bad. It was bad. But it works really well. It makes your skin feel really, really clean, which is what I'm all about.
This is actually going to be coming to you guys in a future empties video, but we have the Pharmacy Bright On Mask.
As you can see, it's empty.
Yes, it is.
Almost empty. I use this a lot. It's actually one of my favorite masks. I don't really need brightening other than on my neck, but I like the way this feels. If I remember correctly, this has like a lavender smell.
It does?
Yeah.
Lavender is a color and a smell.
It is.
From MAC Cosmetics, this is the...
Why would you put that in my hand? Why would you put that in my hand?
Brandon doesn't like glitter.
I don't want that. You can have that.
I'll hold it. This is the MAC Cosmetics
you can't
glitter.
Hold this. I put this down.
Okay, why?
Because you'll blow it on me, you weirdo.
You want this one?
No, I definitely don't. That one's even less secure. Glitter is just not okay. It just gets everywhere. It's on everything. Once you think it's clean and you're all good to go, it gets everywhere. It's on his hand. Stop it. It's on his hand. I do not have panic attacks. I do not have anxiety. And yet, I feel both of those when I deal with the glitter.
Okay, so last product.
Ooh, I haven't seen this one in a while.
You haven't. That has not come out of his home in a minute.
In a minute. So when Brett first started his new makeup endeavor, he purchased a crazy amount of makeup in a short period of time. One of the things that he purchased was Jeffree Star Cosmetics in all sorts of things. There was lipsticks, lip glosses, the works.
I mean, I still use them pretty much, almost every day.
Yeah, it's just something that has been a recurring thing for you. The highlighters was probably the biggest thing because he loves to glow so much. But the one that I truly loved the entire time was Eclipse. Just because I like bronzy, I like things that are different. And this one just is different from all the other ones. It has a soft glow, but still really bronzy.
Oh, it's so pretty. This was the Manny MUA collaboration. So this was a limited edition color. But just, it gives such a cool toned glow. It's so pretty.
So if you've seen his setup at all, or if you've been on his channel at all,
I don't think I've shown...
I don't think you've
this
seen
lately.
the amount of brushes he has. And I do this because there's brushes here, there's brushes here, and I'm sure he has more down there somewhere.
That box up there has more, and this drawer has extra.
There's a lot of brushes in this vicinity.
I'm tool crazy. What can I say?
I have used a lot of powder brushes, and personally I have not found one as much as I like the E41 from Morphe.
I like
It's
the
just-
Jaclyn Hill 01 a little bit more, but this one frustrates me because every day I come home and it's somewhere else in the house.
It had nothing to do with me.
No. I have two of these. There's always a dirty one that I'm currently using and the next one that's clean. The clean one, Mac, likes to pull by the hairs out of the cup and drag them to the door. I don't know why. This is the only brush that he likes to steal. If I can find the picture, I'll throw it up. But Mac loves finding and stealing that brush. So thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed Brandon's random opinions on a bunch of
random products
that none of you asked about, but everybody seemed to want. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know down below if you've used any of these products, what you think. And also, we are still waiting on a chance for me to get Brandon back for all of those fun challenge videos that he put me through. Because something about using my under eye or my inner corner highlight brush to blend out concealer was painful enough that we're going to have to get him back. So let me know any ideas you have on things we can make Brandon suffer through, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.